Hello Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po yung nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga messages ni Aries. Pauna mensahe ni Aries ay the waiting game. Ayan. So, naghihintay lang kayo ngayon, Aries. Maaaring ang hinihintay ninyo dito, divine timing, no? Kung kailan dadating. Ang hinihingi ninyo, kung kailan dadating yung minimiti ninyo, kung kailan dadating yung gusto ninyong mangyari. Maaaring ganun ang sitwasyon. This could be something na tamang pagkakataon or tamang panahon talaga ang hinihintay ninyo dito. So, what else for Aries? We have number 5, wisdom. Ayan. So, most likely, ang iba sa inyo dito, Aries, you are learning, no? Nag-aaral siguro kayo sa ngayon. That could be also nagbalik na sa school ang iba sa inyo, or maybe you are doing a research, or maybe you are curious about something kaya nagre-research kayo on your own, aaral kayo, maybe you are learning to be a teacher, maybe you are honing your gifts, your skills, your talents, no? Maaring ganon. Or siguro teacher kayo, no? That could be teacher. Siguro teacher kayo by profession. You are imparting your academic knowledge sa mga estudyante ninyo, sa ibang tao. Posible din na you are a spiritual teacher siguro, counselor, mentor, life coach, mga ganon. And nag-aano din siguro kayo, nag-i-impart din kayo ng inyong wisdom, nag-i-impart kayo ng inyong learnings in life, mga life lessons learned ninyo on your life's journey. So, maaaring ganun ang ganap. At siguro, anong iba sa inyo, nagbibigay kayo ng advice, no? It's either kayo yung nagbibigay ng advice sa mga tao kayong nilalapitan for advice, or siguro kayo yung nangangailangan ngayon ng advice. So, either or, no? Ganun ang sitwasyon ng iba sa inyo. We have number 3, recognition and reward. Yeah, napakaganda nito. Hard work is going to pay off, no? You are going to receive a recognition. You're going to receive a reward. Maybe financial reward yan din, no? For the job well done na ginawa ninyo, no? So, maaaring ganun ang sitwasyon dito for some of you. So, this is really beautiful kasi you will receive recognition na, makikilala na, or ma-acknowledge na ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo yung effort na ginawa ninyo doon sa kung ano man yung pinagtatrabahuan ninyo. So, that's really beautiful. What else? We have 18, shadow. Ayan. So, this is about fear. Maybe ang iba sa inyo dito, Aries, you are scared of something. Maaring you're scared to move forward, to move on. Maybe you're scared to try something new. Maybe you're scared to be yourself, to express yourself. Maaring ganon. Pero this time, parang marirealize niyo dito na tama na yon, yung takot. Kasi hindi kayo makakapag-move on sa buhay. Hindi kayo makakapag-move forward sa buhay if you are going to continue to be fearful, if you're going to continue to be scared. Kaya maaaring ang gagawin ng iba sa inyo dito ay haharapin nyo yung fear ninyo, no? Squarely. Ang gagawin ng iba sa inyo dito ngayon, you're going to leave your fear aside at magmo-move on kayo sa buhay. Mas ilalagay ninyo sa isip at sa puso ninyo yung inner strength, yung courage, yung ganon, determination, no? So you're going to try to face your fears at this time. So we have then destiny. This is such a beautiful energy because this is destiny at play. Meron dito ng divine intervention sa buhay ninyo. The universe is going to intervene in your circumstances at aayusin ang buhay ninyo. Kung dati nang maayos, dati nang maganda ang takbo ng buhay ninyo, mas lalo pang aayusin niya, mas lalo pang mas maayos, mas lalo pang gaganda. Kumbaga, kasi si destiny ang hatid nito sa inyo, positive changes, everything, babaguhin ng universe dito para maging maayos ang lahat, para maging positibo ang epekto ng lahat, So, kung meron kayong mga problema na iniinda at this time, you can expect na yan ay maayos na, yan ay mahahanapan mo na ng solusyon. Everything is going to be well, everything is going to fall in its right place at this time. So this is such a very exciting period in time, Aries, na magiging maayos ang lahat. So this is also good fortune and good luck on your side. Kaya sobrang swerte ninyo at this time. Magiging maganda, maayos, maaliwalas, peaceful, abundant and prosperous ang buhay ni Aries. So good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste. Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga mensahe ni Leo. Pauna mensahe po ninyo. Number 5, emotional loss. Ayan. So maybe some of you dito, you have lost someone or you have lost something. Maybe, kung meron mang nawala sa inyo dito, that could be loved one or mahal na mahal ninyo talaga to. Very close to your heart, Maybe, merong nag-passed on the other side na kamag-anak ninyo or kaibigan ninyo or kahit sino man na mahal ninyo sa buhay. And ngayon, maybe ramdam nyo pa ang sakit, Maybe you're still grieving, maybe you're still in grief at this point. So maaaring ganun ang ganap. It could also be something like a bagay or pagkakataon, opportunity na nawala sa inyo. Maaaring ganun. But you know what? Whatever the case may be, Leo, kung meron man tayong nawawala sa buhay natin, kahit ano pa man yan, ibig sabihin yan na tapos na ang mission ninyo sa kanya or sa bagay na yan, or tapos na ang mission niya sa'yo. Yung ganun yun, kapag meron nang nagtasasarang pinto, meron nang nawawala, meron nang natatapos, ibig sabihin yan, natapos na yung mission ninyo sa bawat isa. Okay? Or, let's say for example, mga opportunity, mga ganon, na nawala sa'yo, or hindi nangyari, or hindi dumating, means to say na hindi yan para sa'yo na at this time. Hindi yan para sa'yo, that's not meant for you at this time, or it's not meant for you at all. So, ganun lang yon, diba? Ganun lang yon. Merong laging rason sa lahat ng bagay. At kung hindi sa atin binibigay, ang kung ano man ang gusto natin, kung dinideny sa atin ng universe ang kung ano mang bagay, sitwasyon o pangyayari, it's because it is not meant for us right at this time. Hindi yon ang makakabuti para sa atin sa panahong ito. It could come back, if it's really meant for you, it will come back, but doon yan sa divine timing, dadating. So we have sacrifice, you have done a lot of sacrifices siguro sa buhay, Leo, yun ang napipick up ko dito. Pero ngayon, this is your pagkakataon na para ibigay nyo naman sa sarili ninyo kung ano ang para sa'yo. What it is that you deserve, now is the time that you are going to get that. Ito na yung panahon para makuha nyo naman kung ano ang para sa iyo. Okay, Leo? So, what else? We have fertility. This is really a beautiful energy because this is abundant and prosperous energy. Okay? Dito sa fertility energy, maaaring meron ditong nabubuo, merong bago. Because this is a creation energy. It's either meron nabubuong baby dyan, no? Maaaring meron nagbubuntis sa inyo or manganganak na. Kung hindi man kayo yun, maybe yung person ninyo or loved one ninyo, posible din na meron ditong nabubuong bagong proyekto, bagong trabaho, bagong business venture, no? Maaring mga ganon ang sisimula ninyo because this is creation energy. So it could be that you are going to start a new job, a new career, a new business, yung ganon, ano? So good luck to you. And kung ano man yun, yung parating na yan, ng mga financial opportunities that is going to bring forth financial freedom, financial success, no? Prosperity and abundance into your life. So congrats and good luck. We have 5 conflict and defeat. Ayan. So dito naman, internal conflict, maaaring ganon. Maaaring meron mga pinaplano kayo sa ngayon and you can think straight, kumbaga, dahil naguguluhan kayo. Kaya maybe yung isip ninyo, kung anong gusto ng isip ninyo, maybe hindi nag-agree ang sinasabi ng puso ninyo. So maybe ganun ang ganap, kaya nalilito kayo. Posible din na conflict ito with another person. Maybe may hindi kayo pagkakaintindihan with another person. Maring may sagutan dito, nagkaroon dito ng discussion, disagreement. Maybe may ganong ganap and maybe kayo yung nag-walk out from that person, no? So what else? Pinakita sa akin ng guides ko yung dalawang 5. So we have synchronicity. Dito we have number 55. I suggest, Leo, please look up for the meaning of number 55 for more guidance. Okay? So we have harmony. This is really beautiful kasi ibig sabihin nito na merong partnership dito between 2 people, no? So maaaring love and romantic partnership ito na talaga namang siguro na-develop into a beautiful romantic connection ng pagkikilala ninyo and another person, lalo na if you are single, posible din na meron ditong kasalan, merong ikakasal. Kung hindi man kayo yon, maaaring kaibigan ninyo, kamag-anak, or sino man na mahal ninyo sa buhay, siguro ang ikakasal. Posible din na if you are already on a romantic relationship, merong harmonious ang relasyon ninyo with each other. So yun ang mga kaganapan dito for some of you, and this is really awesome. So good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tingnan natin ang mga messages ni Sagittarius. We have number 14, patience. And patience is a virtue. Hindi ba, Sagittarius? Maybe you are waiting for something dito, na mangyari, or mag-come to fruition, or you're waiting for divine timing. No, siguro ganon ang sitwasyon dito ng iba sa inyo. Kaya, inibitahan kayo to be more patient. Okay? You're being invited here to practice more patience dahil hindi naman talaga lahat ng gugustuhin natin ang yayari at the timeline na gusto natin, hindi ba? May mga pagkakataon din na yung gusto natin, hindi yan dadating at the perfect time na gusto natin in the exact form. Kaya kailangan talaga natin na magpasensya. And that's what being asked of you sa inyong sitwasyon at this time. Practice more patience, no? Dahil kung tama ng panahon, if divine timing comes, talagang mangyayari yan, ano man ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Remember that divine timing comes in the perfect time na kailangan ninyo ang kung ano man yan. It's never late, it's never early, it will come in the perfect time talaga na kailangan ninyo sa buhay yan. So we have number 20, truth. Ayan, so there could be truth coming to light at this time. Yung truth na to, it could be anything, it could be linked to any area of life, pero ito yung katotohanan na siguro magpapalaya sa inyo kasi nga, di ba, may kasabihan na truth will set you free. So Posible yan na gano'n na mangyari sa ngayon as Sagittarius. Maaaring ito yung it's either this is pagkakataon na hinihintay ninyo na malaman na ninyo ang katotohanan about something, or this is the time na ilalabas nyo na kung ano man ang katotohanan. Because it's either manggagaling sa iyo ang truth na to, or manggagaling yan sa ibang tao and it will be revealed to you. No? So, ganun ang sitwasyon. What else? We have number 8, positive movement forward. Maaring yung truth na to will set you free talaga and you are going to move forward. So this could be linked, no, to any area of life na katotohanan na to. That could be linked sa personal ninyong buhay. It could be linked to relationship, whatever that is. Maybe ito yung magiging susi para magdesisyon kayo na it's about time na to move forward with your life. No? So, ganun na napipick up ko dito for some of you. Where you are heading now is where you are going to see the light, harmony, love, happiness, fulfillment, contentment. No? Yan na napipick up ko kasi you're heading towards the sun dito. So, pupunta kayo sa maliwanag na lugar, maliwanag na sitwasyon sa buhay ninyo. Kaya this is really a positive movement forward na gagawin ninyo. So congrats to that, Sagittarius. Maglalakas loob na kayo ngayon na umalis na sa kung ano man ang sitwasyon na hindi masyadong maganda and you're heading towards positivity. Okay? So what else? We have number 8, accelerated motion. We have 2 8s na. Ayan. So sobrang swerte nito, lalo-lalo na pagdating sa pera. No, yung double 8. But I also suggest, please look up for the meaning of number 88 for more guidance po. Okay? Dahil marami pa kayong mababasa dyan, marami pa kayong malalaman dyan na information that can guide you, that can help you be enlightened, yung ganon. Okay? So, dito naman, this is a fast-moving energy. So, maaaring yung mga kalakaran sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon is going to speed up. Maaari din na yung kung anong hinihintay ninyo dito is going to come in at this time and it will come in a fast pace. Maaaring ganon din ang sitwasyon dyan. So, kung ano man to na gagawin ninyo, you're going to receive wonderful news about that. You're going to receive good news about that. At saka uusad na kayo. As in, you are going to move forward na. No? Sag, this could also indicate travel. Meron tayong movement forward. So definitely, ang iba sa inyo dito is going to travel. Maybe you're going to remove yourself physically from where you are coming from and where you are heading to. So maybe may change of place of residence dyan. Meron sigurong migration dyan. Meron sigurong paglilipat ng tirahan ng bahay. So there is movement, physical movement dito na mangyayari for some of you. And everything is going to be in a fast pace. No? Mabilisan ang galawan dito. Mabilisan ng... siguro dahil excited kayo dito, kayo magiging mabilis ang lahat. There will be no delays anymore. There will be no blockages. No? So most likely, kung ano ang truth na to, na that's coming to light sa ngayon, yun talaga magiging susi para bumilis ang lahat. Yun ang magiging susi para gumalaw na kayo. Okay? So what else? We have number 1. Ayan, beautiful. Prosperity begins. This is a new beginning energy. Okay? Magsisimula kayo dito ng bago. Magsisimula kayo dito ng something new sa buhay, Sagittarius. Dito naman, specifically, prosperity begins daw. So, talagang magiging masagana kayo. Meron kayong mga financial blessings. May mga perang parating. Meron kayong mga magagandang simulain dito pagdating sa inyong financial landscape. Maybe your financial landscape is going to change at this time. At yan ay magiging, magiging mapera na kayo or meron na kayong established na konkretong pagsisimula ng inyong income. Meron na kayong source of income siguro dito na secured na, stable na, yung ganon, posible din na this is bagong trabaho, bagong karera, bagong negosyo na parating. Posible din yan. posible din na windfall ito. Windfall of money is coming in na manggagaling yan sa inheritance, manggagaling sa regalo ng mga tao. Could be a win sa lottery, no? Or any game of chance. Posible din dyan manggagaling ang mga perang ito na magbibigay ng pagkakataon sa inyo na maging masagana kayo sa pera. So, good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.